is the perfect heel. The reviews on these did not lie. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator and I love making videos about lifestyle, fashion, travel, life with celiac, owning your own business. And today I'm so excited because I have a fun unboxing video for you. I just got some heels in from Dolce Vita and I'm so excited to try them on. So I figured why not unbox them, try them on together, and also try them on with a particular dress. I bought these shoes for mine and Matt's 1-year anniversary party that is coming up in August. So we have some time, but if you know me, I like to plan ahead. I like to kind of get things squared away. I already know the dresses that I'll be wearing for this party because I'm so grateful that Abercrombie generously had gifted me a few dresses from their wedding/bridal collection. So I already have the dresses in mind that I know I'm wearing, and I already have one pair of shoes that I know I'll be wearing at the start of the night, but I really was looking for a second pair of shoes, a good true white pair of shoes, so that I could wear them with this particular dress. So I'm gonna try the shoes on, try the dress on. Let's get into it.
I had a dream last night.
We have our Dolce Vita shoes here. These are the, let's let the camera focus, the Corsa in true white in a size 7.5, and this is the silhouette for what the shoes look like. I am so excited about these. I really hope that these are comfortable. I read the reviews and the reviews were really positive. People saying that they really like them, they're really comfortable. The reason why I wanted to get these shoes is because I needed a pair of shoes that were a true white to go with the dress that I'm wearing. The other shoes that I had that were like really nice heels, they were off-white and they just look a little bit weird with the dress. It just doesn't look as good. And they're a little bit too high and I felt like they weren't the right shoe for dancing, and that is what Matt and I are gonna be doing a lot of at our anniversary party. It's gonna be a dance party. We're gonna have pizza. We're gonna have some kind of a food truck, an amazing dessert bar that we just booked. So we've been getting things squared away in lead up to the party, kind of like little by little, and squaring away my outfits was kind of one of the last things that I knew that I needed to do. Because I already have the dresses, I knew that I needed to get one new pair of shoes. I'm hoping these work out. If not, I still obviously have a ton of time, which is also why I wanted to do this now. Wanted to get the shoes early enough so that I did not have to worry at all about if for some reason they're not super comfortable and I want to get a different pair, I don't have to sweat it. So let's unbox them. Let's try them on. And if they're comfy, then I'll try them on with the dress as well. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Here is the shoe. As you can see, it is definitely a true white. We've got some stuffing in here and here. Dressed in a gown, everybody's oh my gosh, they're so cute. This is a perfect little like kitten heel. I absolutely love this heel. I love the shape of it. I love the size of it. It is not too big. I love the pointy toe of the shoe. Oh, they're super cute. We got one of them out. Just going to the store. I think I'd have it all. Tell you I have even more. Picking the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it. I'm so excited to try these on. I really hope that they fit. I hope I like them. I will drop the camera for you guys in a second here. Drop the camera. She's ready to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me. Cause these are dream rules. They're super cute on, and they really are comfortable. They're so comfortable because they're such a short little heel. It's so nice. That makes it so freaking easy to walk in them because there's no, like there's nothing crazy about them. Also, I feel like these are so easy to dance in because again, they've got this strap in the back. Hold on, let me come closer because the dog's in the way. We've got this strap here. can see, which goes around the heel. So that helps to like keep the shoes from slipping off. I hate a shoe that is like an open back shoe. I used to have a few pairs of shoes that were pointy toe, kind of like this, but they didn't have the little sling back, and they were so uncomfortable. I felt like I was constantly walking out of them. Whereas these, because they've got the little sling back, they keep your foot in place because the heel is so short. They're not uncomfortable for my ankle. They're not hard to walk in. Like,
This is someone else, I'm not myself, no.
they're so easy to walk in. They're so freaking cute. They're nice and simple. Again, they just fit perfectly. I am a true 7.5 in Dolce Vita. I now have a whole bunch of different shoes from Dolce Vita, and number one, I feel like the quality is so good. They last so long. I have a pair of combat boots that I literally got in, I think I was like a freshman in college. These boots are literally over a decade old, and they're still in amazing condition. And I had no idea. I was like, I don't even remember the brand. I looked at the bottom and it was Dolce Vita, and I was like, of course. So I am a big Dolce Vita fan, and they just have so many different kinds of styles, materials, colors, which I also love. And I've just really come to love a pointy toe and a little short little kitten heel. I also like the fact that it's not like a stiletto-y kind of a heel. The other shoes that I'm planning on wearing, and I'll make another video as we get closer to having our party, I'll make a video showing you all the different looks, because I am gonna wear a different pair of shoes that does have a thinner heel than these, and it's a little bit of a higher heel. But I'm planning on wearing that at the start of the party when it's kind of just like schmoozing, toasts, appetizers, and that kind of vibe. When I get changed into the dress that I'm going to show you guys in a minute, when I get changed into that, that's like, it's time to dance, and I feel like these are going to be perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. They're so cute, they're so comfy. So let me go grab that dress and try the dress on with the heels. So this is our dress for dancing. I am so excited about it. I absolutely love a fringe dress like this. It is so fun. It is so like, it's just such a personality kind of a dress. And when you're on the dance floor, like the movement of it, it's just so fun. I was so excited when Abercrombie sent this to me, because when I tell you, when I saw this on the site and saw them launch this, I was like, I absolutely need this for next year for our party. And they freaking sent it to me. And I was like, ah! I was freaking out. So, oh my gosh, I think this is a perfect fit. The whites literally fit perfectly. I'm gonna go take a look in the mirror and see what I think, but I think I'm gonna love it. I need to know what you guys think of the outfit for our party. Oh my gosh, having shoes and like starting to move in them actually feels so good. This is the perfect freaking heel. I highly recommend the Corsa. They make this heel in a bunch of different colors if you are looking for a good heel, particularly for the spring and the summer, because obviously it's like open back-ish in that my like heel is exposed. I highly recommend the Corsa. They are very comfortable. The reviews did not lie, because I have a pair, I think it's called the Odessa style, and they are not nearly as comfortable as these, and the reviews go to show it too. The reviews on the Odessa are like a 4.4, whereas the reviews on these, the Corsa, are like a 4.9 out of 5. People are like, these are so comfortable, they're so good, perfect, wore these. I saw a lot of people saying like, wore these for my wedding, wore these for a party, they were perfect. And I'm so excited that I got them. Oh my gosh, I think they're perfect. I'm gonna go check out the silhouette in the mirror, and then I'll come back and let you guys know my final verdict, but I wanna know what you guys think.
Can make all the problems disappear.
This is so fun. Oh.
Tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind, and that she could laugh of a little lies.
These are a 10 out of 10 for me. I absolutely love how they look with the dress. I think the pointy toe helps to elongate my leg, which feels very flattering to me. I just think that that's definitely the move of the kind of like silhouette of a shoe for this dress. And I also think because of the low heel, like it's perfect for dancing. I feel so comfortable and confident in how I look, and also confident in like my ability to move. Like I literally could like run in these. They're so comfortable, and I haven't even broken them in. And again, when I tell you guys, like my other option for shoes, they were a cute heel. They're the heels that I wore for mine and Matt's wedding, and I wore them for a little fall photo shoot that Matt and I did, because they are a great heel. It's a great off-white shoe. It's by the brand Schutz, but the off-white, it just really did not go well with this dress being a true white. So the fact that we now have like a seamless look, and also what I will say about these heels, I really like that they're very like minimal and plain. I like that there's literally nothing going on with them. They're just a plain white leather with a little strap, and that's it. Because you don't want, especially if you're wearing something like this, like a fun dress with fringe, with some kind of texture or something like that, you don't want a shoe that takes away from your dress. You don't want a shoe that's like competing for attention, or a shoe that's like too big or too bold when the dress is the focal point. So this shoe just feels like a perfect addition to this outfit, because it feels minimal and plain and simple, and it really lets the dress kind of stand on its own and be the item of the outfit that shines. So I am so happy. I really like can't tell you guys enough how excited I am that I found the shoe that I needed for mine and Matt's anniversary party. I don't need to buy any shoes now. I don't need to buy any bags. I don't need to buy any dresses. I am all set when it comes to what I'm wearing for our big party. So that just feels so, so good to just know what my looks are, feel super confident in them, to have tried on the dress again and just love it so much. I'm just so, so happy and so excited. So let me show you guys the heels again. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, because I've got more anniversary party, just like fun video planning stuff for you guys coming soon. So I'll see you guys in the next one. And today I'm so excited because we have a fun I just don't know. I'm literally going on the Dolce Vita site right now. I feel so silly to not fully know this, but I just don't know. Hold on, Buddha's gonna go for it. No, don't steal my socks or my shoes. Thank you. Okay, so I just need to look up the Corsa heels, and I just need to see. Okay, yeah, it's like this. It's like this. They sling around the back. I'm looking at the models in the pictures, you guys, just to make sure it's not supposed to be the other way. Okay, yeah, no, this is definitely the right way. The heels are supposed to be.